Today we're making amazing onion pancakes that taste just like fried potatoes. They're super tasty, budget-friendly, and practically free. No one will ever guess what they're made of. First, take 250 grams of onion, peel it, and grate it finely so the onion in the pancakes is completely unnoticeable and cooks well inside. Pour in a mixture of water and milk, 250 milliliters of warm water, not hot. The water makes the pancakes light, so they won't be heavy or rubbery. 250 milliliters of warm milk, also not hot. The milk gives a milky flavor and a golden crust. Add half a teaspoon of salt, a little more or less to taste. Add half a teaspoon of ground allspice. It highlights the sweetness of the onion without overpowering it. Add 1 tablespoon of dried green onion. It enhances the onion flavor gently, without any sharpness. Now mix everything thoroughly to combine the ingredients. Add the grated onion, don't squeeze out the juice. And mix evenly. Gradually add 350 grams of sifted flour. If the batter is too thin, add more flour little by little, judging by the consistency. At the very end, while the water and milk are still warm, add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well. Let the batter rest for 10 minutes at room temperature. The flour will fully absorb the liquid, making the pancakes hold their shape and not spread out. The onion will release more juice and the batter will become uniform, without dry lumps. The baking soda starts working gently, giving a fluffy texture without any soda taste. Pour 60 milliliters of vegetable oil into a heated skillet and spoon 1 tablespoon of butter per pancake, without mixing, forming small pancakes. Cook until golden on medium heat. You can already see them becoming airy and puffy. After about 2 to 3 minutes, flip to the other side with a fork. I find this easiest. And cook a bit longer, about 4 minutes, lowering the heat. Here are the hot onion pancakes, soft inside and golden outside. The crust is golden, not hard, with a rich, balanced flavor. If you offer these onion pancakes to children, they'll happily gobble them up and ask for more. I like to sprinkle them with finely chopped dill before tasting. Let's see what they look like inside. The onion is well steamed, so the pancakes are juicy, tender, and have no onion smell at all. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, like it, and leave a comment. See you next time! Bye bye!